Alright guys, so I came across these at the local grocery store. As you can see, they're called the Golden Nugget Mandarins, and they say they're rich and sweet, and let's do a quick taste test. So they're not your happiest looking mandarins. As you can see, they look a little different. So let's open this up and I'll show you what they look like. They're easy to peel still, so which is a highlight. They're really fragrant. I can smell it right now as the peel is coming off. It smells like a tangerine in a way, guys. So, alright, let's do a quick taste test. The flesh is more firm. So it is sweeter than a regular mandarin. That is for sure. It's sweeter. There is a nice tangerine type of aroma to it, and it's not sour. It's got a hint of citrus to it. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.